take a look at the situation we have and kind of decide how to enter the market. And then from there, as the market moves around, as certain things happen, kind of make decisions and talk about making decisions on how we might integrate or swap in between the strategies directly related to what's actually happening at the time. And you're going to find that your entry itself generally isn't all that important. What's important is just kind of gauging your risk, thinking about what opportunities might be available elsewhere and things like that, and just kind of keeping yourself in a high probability situation. And another thing too that I thought about when making up these examples or switching between strategies, is trying to keep our moves in the marketplace as minimal as possible. In other words, rather than rolling back a butterfly, is there something better that we can do? And things like that. Just doing things in the easiest way possible, as we're going along. So I think you'll find this kind of interesting.